Hi, I'm Rod Deutschmann with Library Workshops. I just wanted to say thank you. It's been a little bit more than a year since we first started testing the Library Workshops program, and your overwhelming support has been, well, amazing and humbling to say the least. But together we're making a real difference in our communities. We're helping that small business owner focus their marketing efforts so that they can compete in the digital world today. We're bringing families together at the libraries. We're offering insightful, fun, and engaging hands-on workshops. I mean, everything from the photography and cooking classes to the personal enrichment events. I mean, our classes and workshops are changing lives. Now this, however, wouldn't be possible if people didn't hear about us. And to this, I wanted to thank all of you. If it wasn't for your sharing of our posts, of telling your friends and families of our classes, of bringing people into the library who've never been there before, well, none of this would have ever happened. And there'd be no way that it could continue to happen. So thank you guys so very, very much. Well, I also want to thank all of the forward-thinking library directors and community sponsors out there, such as the many chambers and rotaries and city councils who have all stepped up and shown their support. And to all of those key players we've got out there, Keith, Diana, Jenna, Lee, Christina, Angela, Debbie, Jessica, Marcus, Melissa, you guys know who I'm talking about. If it wasn't for you and your support, none of this would exist. So thank you all so very, very much. Well, I also want to thank our instructors, your community members, your neighbors, your family members who make up the heart of this program. I know personally it takes a lot of work to create these valuable and life-changing classes. It takes a lot of courage to stand up in front of a group of people you don't know and speak from your heart. And for that, well, I got to thank you as well. That's a lot. Mostly, however, I have to thank my wife, Robin, for her constant encouragement, support, and guidance. She's been the light here. She's taken this crazy idea of mine and shaped and molded it and focused it into a very real and working economic development and community advocacy program. A program that has the potential to change everything we know about community education, to save the small business owner here in Illinois, to bring some magic and interest back to the public library system, and to offer those people out there who have a skill, who have a passion, who have something to share, a place to share it, a place to share those ideas, and to pay them for doing it on top of everything else. Robin, I am grateful for many things in my life, but nothing compares to the joy and happiness that fills my heart every day just knowing that you're with me. Well, and now everyone else knows and can be thankful for all your hard work as well. Without you, Library Workshops wouldn't exist. Without you, I wouldn't exist. Happy anniversary, honey. Thank you for everything you do, and I love you so very, very much. And you guys, thank you all again for your support. Without you, this wouldn't be possible. Now, if you haven't guessed it, we've got a ton of new classes, new teachers, and new ideas in the works. And as always, if you've got an idea, if you've got a passion, if you've got a skill to share with others, let us know. Reach out, become a Library Workshops instructor, and make a real difference in your community. Thanks for listening, everyone. I'm Rod Deutschmann.